Hello, y'all. My name is Mack. I've been shining shoes about 14 years now. I came out here to help a friend out one day, and I've been out here ever since. And my name is Compton. I've had that nickname for quite a few years as a small kid. I think I got a customer now. You ready? I guess you changed his mind.
Sir, oh, he's ready for you.
You don't want to interrupt the interview.
Oh, no, you're fine.
All right, thanks. Right there, listen. Hang it in there.
It used to wear the suit that
About a year and a half. Yeah, I know about a year and a half. But I know I started shining shoes on the 13th of March.
This is my third trip on the subway since March 23rd.
How you doing otherwise?
Get in there, I'm alive.
Hey, you sound like me.
It's one hell of a year. I feel bad for guys like you because they're relying to pick themselves up.
No, but they're showing up slowly but surely. Gradually, they're showing back up. They're showing back up. Slowly but surely. So I ain't mad. I'm feeling good. As long as I get one customer on satisfied. That's better than the alternative.
Peace, good people. I want to thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can keep up to date with all the videos that I post. And until next time, peace.